go. We're doing the many things. We're in the right lane. The rightest, most lane. Oh my gosh, okay. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. I'm a team of one. There's just one Mish, one person here in the car. Okay. Just riding a little bit of snow. That's fine. Green light, we're happy. Go through here. The wind decided to change. No, it's coming from over here this time. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, God. Visibility is about 5 feet, sometimes 2. Sometimes 2. I should not be going 30 miles an hour. We're gonna pump the brakes a bit. Snow is coming horizontally at times, vertically at others, and always at about 50 miles an hour. I think I'm in the middle of the road, but no, I'm on the right side of the road, because, you know, where is the road? I can't see. Good. No, it's great. We got plenty of lights, and suddenly visibility is back to normal, you know, as normal as it can be in a snowstorm. I can see everything perfectly, thank you, you know. There's a car in front of me so I can follow them. That's good stuff. There's the plasma place that I always think about donating plasma, but then I remember that time that I got my blood drawn and then I passed out and I threw up twice, passed out. It's not a good time. And red light. Let's just hope that we have enough traction to start going after this. Family thrift store. Oh wait, there's a thrift store here? Okay. Okay, I hear you. Okay. Okay. Habibi, why you not go? Huh? You should know these things. There's a thrift store, you should go. Yeah, but I already did my shopping for today, so. Oh, and then just every now and then I look out my passenger window, my driver's side window, whatever. Green light, here we go. And then just like a nice spray of snow just goes against the glass. No, it's fine. Everyone else can go 50 miles an hour around me. That's totally fine. You and your big truck, you can do that just fine. It's whatever. I'm gonna be over here doing my 26 easily. Oh my gosh. I saw someone speeding downhill in a blizzard, speeding downhill to cut around me. And I was like, I don't wish for anyone's like pure destruction, but like they should learn their lesson. And they immediately went over a median and like went back and forth over the median. So they weren't harmed, but I guarantee they were shook up. And I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I meant. I didn't need them to like, you know, get in a wreck and die. I just needed their hearts to go a little bit faster. Needed them to pay attention. I think maybe I should not have done that. Should not have cut off someone as they were driving very carefully downhill in a blizzard. Simple things, you know? Just the little stuff. Okay, another red light. Huh. There's a lot of really big snowflakes. My car is covered in cats. That is the weirdest wrap I've ever seen. Okay, green light, here we go. This person has their Ford symbol lit up in blue, like LED blue. Wait, no, slow down, wait for me, I want to follow you. Oh, I can't speed in a blizzard. Wait for me. Oh my gosh, okay, visibility is back to 5 feet. 5 yards, 5 feet, 5 yards, 5 inches, 5 feet. Ooh, now I can see plenty. It just goes back and forth, and it's not a great time. Anytime I go underneath one of these lights, it's like I see the snow just swirling past it. And I'm like, okay, it's a lot. walking from the mall into my car. I was like taking a shower with my clothes on, and it was very cold. A cold shower. A cold ice shower. It's called snow. Yeah. Right. Here. I'm turning. Don't follow me. I'm turning. Don't follow me. If you want to go straight, don't follow me. I'm in the turn lane. Are you behind me because you're turning too? Why is your blinker not on? America is please explain. Please explain. America explain. Okay, yeah, no, they're turning. They felt like my blinker was enough, which sometimes it is. Another little turn. You know, we're not using our blinkers anymore. Why signal? Man, I'm hungry. I got food. I got food after my promotion test, so we're good here. I get to eat a ton of protein, celebrate having done a good job. Go me. Okay. Yes, stop sign. It says stop, I promise. You can't see it because it's covered in snow, but it's the stop sign. I know the shape. Distinct octagonal shape. You should all know it. Someone out here with their car door open? They're getting out of their car. Why? It's cold. Oh, I have to get out of my car too. Rat. Is there a spot to park? Who knows? Time to turn into my parking lot. Turn into my parking lot. Turn into my parking lot. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Everyone here is covered in snow. In snow. Someone parked in the handicap spot. And they're not even handicapped. Actually, I don't know, because maybe their license plate says it, but I just can't see their license plate. Okay, well, we'll just back up and find a new spot. Back up into the spot because I'm cool like that. Ever so slowly though, because I'm not that cool. I'm not that cool. Okay, alright. Alrighty. Right next to my friend in the truck, who helps us with many things. Okay, we did it. We made it. We're home. Congratulations. Now I have to find out some way to carry all this stuff into my house without it all getting wet from the blizzard outside. Here, you guys want to see? There you go. I know you're dying to look outside. There is the outside.